Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruiser. We are held cruiser bullet bags, okay? Very cool bags, got the locks. So you've got a combination lock on here. Quick release buckles, okay, so you don't actually have to undo all these buckles all the time. Very cool bit of kit. As you can see also, adjustable yoke here, so we can adjust whatever width the bike is, and quick release with these clips. Now, we also do a U-lock that goes through here as well, okay, so you can actually lock the things to the bike without going on the seat. There's no way, unless they unbolted your seat, they'd be able to get at them. But decent capacity on these, as you can see, beautifully made, all lined, decent flaps, so you ain't going to get all the water going in. Sort of a rigid system, all foam lined again inside, made in Germany like it says, not Far East like most of these bags are, but very, very, very good quality. Held usual, made in Germany, so none of your cheap Chinese rubbish. And as you can see here, these are the 4867 cruiser bullet bags. Also, we do the cruiser drop bags. They're like your old Titus bags, if you know what they were. Very, very popular bag as well. But these part number 4867 held cruiser bag. Interesting, held stuff. We keep leathers. We got Gore-Tex. You know, quite a lot of stuff in stock. Give us a call though, 177383566. Alternatively, customcruisers.com.